Hi friends! Today we're gonna create a super easy texturized French twist. First, we'll make sure that our hair is nice and detangled. Then you want to gather your hair into a middle ponytail. Bring your opposite hand upside down like I'm showing, grabbing your hair, creating a loop, and you want to twist it slowly once, and then one more time you want to twist it, leaving the loop up. Make sure to bring up a little bit the hair from our bun, and you want to pin it in place using grips and bobby pins. Don't forget to leave the ends out. This will give you that effortless look of your French twist. Also, I like to leave some pieces in the front to frame my face. Then you want to pull our bun in the front to make it texturized. Also, I like to leave some hair out like I'm showing, to make it fuller and voluminous and texturized, and you're basically done. This is perfect for those with frizzy or curly wavy hair. If your hair is straight, I'll recommend you to curl it or give it some texture by using some dry shampoo. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's hair tutorial. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to Awesome Hairstyles channel for more. Also, let me know in comments down below, did you try this hairstyle? But that's it for today, and love you so much, and see you soon in my next video. Bye!